Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to resolve this issue. So I'm trying to add APM minus minus H. So I'm getting this issue that please install a version by running one of the following. So ASDF install node.js LTS. Okay. So for that, guys, try to add this command. So from ASDL, just add this one. So ASDF global node.js latest. It will try to download the latest one, version 21.6.0 is not installed for node.js. Okay. Just try to install this one. So ASDF install node.js latest. So it will try to download the latest one. Just wait for a second. Now, as you can see on the screen, now this node got installed. Now let us go for global latest. It should point out that it is. So now let us see the same command whether it is working or not. So APM minus minus H. Okay. Let's see whether it's working or not. So we got all the help. So this is how you can get rid of this issue. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.